We are here for grade 6 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. The administrator. Then you have to select math tab. Scroll down to grade 6 math and then click on. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter mixed operations. The lessons we're going to cover today are add, subtract, multiply or divide two whole numbers, perform multiple operations with decimals, add, subtract, multiply or divide two fractions, perform multiple actions. Let's just start with the chapter mixed operations. We're going to start with the lesson that is add, subtract, multiply or divide whole numbers. Okay, let's just go to grade 6 math. The chapter. Here is the first lesson, add, subtract, multiply or divide two whole numbers. Start with the lesson. Okay. First example is you have to multiply 17,868 times 1. So when you multiply any number with 1, the number stays the same. So whatever number it is, the number stays the same. So 17,868 times 1 is 17,868, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, you have to divide 49 divided by 7. So you have to calculate the table of 7 until 49. So 7 times what number is 49? They got 7 times 7 is 49. So the correct option is 7. Option number 2 is the correct option. You have to divide. Okay, you need to add 66,000. Sorry, plus 6,251. So which is the correct option? Yes, that's option number 3 is the correct option. 72,882 is the correct option. Okay, next one is 9,111 divided by 3. That's option number 1. 3,037 it is. Let me just divide, right? You need to divide using long division method. So let me explain how to. So you need to count a table of until 9. So 3 times 3 is 9, right? 9 taken is 0. The next digit down, 1. 1 is 3, right? You need to bring another digit down. So when you bring the two digits down, you need to add 0 over here. Now you can go for 3 times 3 is 9. 11, 2, you need to bring the next digit. So you can go for 3 times 7 is 21. The correct option is 3,037 is the correct option. That's option number 1. The correct option is option number 1 is the correct option. That is 3,037. Okay, 15,959 minus 1,534. So which is the correct option? So the correct option is option number yes, the correct option 14,425. You have to divide, right? Yes, option number 1 is the correct option. That is 7,097. You have to divide using long division method. Got it? Okay, the next one is 5,703 plus 730. So which is the correct option? That is 6,433. Option number one is the correct option. Okay, you can complete today. Let me just lesson. The next one is word problems you can do on your own. The next lesson is perform multiple operations with test. What's wrong with the lesson? Okay, 3 plus 0.1 plus 0.6. So basically you have now more than one operation in single question, right? So when you have more than one operations, you have an order to solve the operators, right? So you need to perform the order. You need to solve them in the order. So here you have only addition. So you can add from the first two numbers, start adding 0.3 plus 0.1, that is 0.4, and then add 0.6. So the correct option is 1. Let's just start questions. Now you have multiplication and subtraction in the same question, right? So when you have multiplication and division has the higher priority over others. So you have to multiply first. You need to do 2 times 0.1. Got it? You have to 0.2 times 0.5, that is 0.1. When you multiply them, you have 0.1. Just subtract that. The answer is 0. So option number 1 is the correct option. 0.2 it is. Okay, the next one is 0.4 plus 0.5 minus 0.9. So which is the correct option? Zero it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. The correct option is 0. The next one is 0.4 plus 0.1 plus 0.4. So which is the correct option? Yes, you simply have to add, that is 0.9. Option number 3 is the correct option. The next one is 0.4 minus 0.3 minus 0.1. So which is the 0? It is option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the one is 6 times 0.5 times 0.8. So which is the correct option? 0.2. It is option number 2 is the correct option, right? Okay, the next one is 7 plus 0.2. So which is the correct option? 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is add, subtract, multiply, or divide two fractions. So now we're going to learn how do we work on the fractions. Okay, subtract 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Say this, so they have the like denominators, right? When they have the same denominator, you simply have to subtract the numerator, right? 3, 2 minus 1 is 1. So that is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 equals 1 over 3. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions by 1 over 3. So how do we divide the fractions? You have to just change the division sign to multiplication and reciprocal the term after. So that would be 3 times 3 and 3 times 1 is 3 when you divide the answer, right? So the correct option is option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? The next lesson is 7 over 10 plus 4 over 10. So which is the correct option? They have like denominators. You simply need to add their numerators, right? So 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 over 10 it is. That is 1 whole 1 over 10 is the correct option. Very good. Okay, and by 5 times 10. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 2. You simply have to multiply and divide. The correct option is 2. Okay, multiply 7 over 12 times 7. The correct option is not first one, right? That is 6 whole 1 over 12. You have to solve, right? 7 times 49 over option 1. Sorry. Option 1 is the correct option. No, option 1 it is. You're right. Okay. Divide 1 whole 1 by 3 divided by 1 whole 1 over 2. So let's just solve. 3 times 1 is 3 and 1 4 over 3. 2 times 1 is 2, right? So that is 4 times 2 is 8 and 3 times 3 is 9. So the correct option is 8 over 9. The correct option is 8 over 9. By 3 times 3, so is the correct option. That is 2, option number 2 is the correct option, right? Minus 4 by 8, which is the correct option. Yes, that is 1 over 2. How 1 by 3? 1 by 2 is the correct option. One by 4? Yes, 4 minus 6 minus 4 is 2 by 8, and then that would be 1 by 4. The correct option is 1 by 4. Okay, that is 4 times 2 is 8 and 11 over 4. 7 times 3 is 21 and 22 over 7. Let's just replace the division sign to man as 11 times 2. So 11, that is 7 over 8. So the correct option is 7 over 8. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later. Math. Okay, so we were working on grade 6 math. The chapter we were working on is mixed operations. The lessons we have covered today are add and add, subtract, multiply, or divide two whole numbers. The operations with decimals and add, subtract, multiply, or divide fractions, right? So please make sure. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the. They are available from Friday 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So that's all for today. If you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.